Hello everyone, this is Lujay Mazen, an 11th grader in SIS, coming to you today with a new episode in SIS Show. Our guests today are two of our very precious seniors, Farah Tariq and Saeed Al, sharing with us their experience with SEL and how it felt helping the school's lower grades. Welcome Saeed and Farah. Thank you for being here.
It's a pleasure.
We'll start with the simple. What is SEL?
Okay, SEL first stands for Social Emotional Learning. Okay, as a school, they had their own SEL team, but we as seniors wanted to do something for us, so we suggested that the SEL team is seniors. It's a new idea, so we took this responsibility, and it was approved by the school, and we started immediately working for it. And here we go. We did our first sessions this week.
Can you elaborate more about SEL?
We as seniors, we want to have the responsibility to be able to make the lower grades learn more about the social emotional learning and how they can treat the people that have some problems, like blind people and deaf people. I like our grades when we were young, and no one made our like this, so we want to be the first seniors to make this opportunity and make them learn more about it.
First, what was it like to be a teacher in a class?
At the beginning, I was kind of scared, and I went to Miss Aya telling her that I'm scared to do this. But then I started to feel comfortable when I started the activity with them in introducing myself, and they were kind of nice to me. So I felt comfortable teaching them what was the presentation about.
First, I was so nervous. They didn't know me, I didn't know them. I introduced myself. Then after I had a lesson to give to them the lesson, the videos, the activities. After a while, I felt comfort. Even after the session, they came and they asked me some questions. Then I felt that they understood from me what did I say.
What exactly did you do in class this week?
Okay. This week, first of all, was about social awareness. So we wanted to teach those kids how to feel empathy for disabled people. For example, Helen Keller, she was a blind and deaf lady, but now literally no one doesn't know her. She's really well known. So I wanted to teach them my objective by giving them an activity, which was to draw whatever they want while they close their eyes, to feel how blind people feel every day.
What was the kids' reaction to the lesson, and do you think they understood your aim?
Well, during the activity, they laughed a lot because when they saw their drawings in the end, they laughed, and it was kind of fun. And also, we had a discussion during when I opened the video and we watched together. We had kind of a discussion. So yes, I think they understood what I wanted to deliver to them.
And what was your experience like?
I felt that they got the main point because when I showed them the video, I asked some questions. Most of them tried to answer. And after I did the activity, they loved it, and they enjoyed it a lot because all of them laughed and all of them was having a fun time. And even after I finished the activity and session, many students came and asked me some questions about the main purpose of the activity and the main purpose of what they will learn about it.
This is the end of today's episode of SIS Show. Thank you, Farah. Thank you, Saeed. Thank you for watching. Till next time, goodbye.